sure will. It's going to be a matter of moments here. Let's do this. Let's get a break in, and then when we come back, we'll find out the fate of Travis Rudolph. The jury has a verdict. We'll listen and see what it is when we come back. Watching along with us, trial attorney Michael Jaafar up in Detroit, and you'd see those smiles. Michael, you talked about that feeling that they are experiencing right now. Your reaction?
I mean, as an attorney who has defended people who are accused of crimes, I can't help but be a little jealous of his attorney right now, Mr. Shiner, because he, this is the proudest moment for a criminal defense attorney. He took a case all the way to a jury with difficult facts. He got lucky with having a great client who knew how to testify and oralize a good defense, but. I mean, his attorney did a stellar job, and I can only envy the pride he must feel right now. He knows the cameras are looking at his client being acquitted. His client is crying. This is a big deal. The jury came back very quick. Usually it means that they're going to convict you or they're going to acquit you because they've made a decision. But in this specific case, for them to come back this quick, to me, it looked clearly like an acquittal, because there were lesser included charges, and it would be very difficult and take a lot of time if they were going to acquit. They were going to convict him of a lesser included charge, but acquit him of the big charge. It would have taken days of deliberation for them to decipher that. But for them to come back that quickly, it was pretty clear to all of us looking at the case that they were acquitting him on all charges, because either they were going to take their time and acquit him of a lesser included charge, or they're going to not take their time and come back quickly and acquit him on all charges. And that's exactly what happened. So at this point, and you see the emotion from the defendant, he was crying. This thing meant a lot to him, of course. He was, so in his mind, when that jury foreman was speaking, whatever she said, either the rest of his life, he was going to be talking to his family through a bulletproof glass in a jail and traveling around. It's not that you just go to jail. You go into a system, and in that system, they move you. You have no control. You have no freedom. You have no ability. You do not control your own destiny. They will wake you up one day at 6 in the morning, say, we're moving you from where you are now in North Carolina. We're moving you to Seattle, right? To a place that's cold and muggy, and it was built in the 50s. And like, he was looking at that. But when she spoke 5 seconds later, when she got to count 4, and they acquitted him of the first 3, and then she acquitted him of the last one, in his mind, I'm going home today with my family in Florida with palm trees. I'm going to go out to eat, and this is all behind me. I'm protected by double jeopardy. You see the smile on his face. So this is a big moment for all of them. I think justice was done properly, and as an observer, you tip your hat to the defense.